Hello everyone, I'm Maya. In today's video, we'll explore about Pancasila. Pancasila is Indonesian's foundational philosophy and its role a way of life. Adopted officially in 1945, Pancasila consists of 5 principles that guided the nation's founding and still guide Indonesian society today. The word Pancasila comes from Sanskrit Panca, meaning 5, and Sila, meaning principle. As a way of life, Pancasila helps people from many backgrounds live together with respect, fairness, and unity. In this video, we will briefly explain each principle, show everyday example, and see how Pancasila helps solve modern challenges. For the main content, explanation of 5 principles with example. Principle 1 or first example is believe in one God. The first principle affirms belief in different religions practiced across Indonesia, and it supports freedom of worship and spiritual values in public life. For example, in a daily life, this principle appears when neighbors respect each other's religions, holiday, and public schools allow religious study groups. For the second principle, just and civilized humanity, the second principle emphasizes human dignity, justice, and kindness. It encourages us to treat others fairly and oppose discrimination. For example, maybe like at work or at school, this principle means speaking politely, support fair treatment, and acting against bullying. For the third principle, unity of Indonesia. The third principle highlights national unity across diverse ethnic, cultural, and linguistic groups. It calls for loyalty to the nation and cooperation for the common good. For example, in communities, unity shows when people celebrate local tradition while wearing the national flag at national event or collaborating across region during disaster relief. For the fourth principle, democracy guided by the inner wisdom of deliberation among representatives. The fourth principle supports democratic decision-making through respectful discussion and consensus. It values wise deliberation rather than conflict. For the example, in practice, a school council resolving issues by listening to everyone's opinion before deciding reflects this principle. For the fifth principle, social justice for all Indonesians. The fifth principle commits to fair distribution of resources and opportunities so every citizen can live with dignity. For example, line programs that give scholarship to underprivileged students or community health services are example of this principle in action. And then for Pancasila addressing modern challenges. I think Pancasila is still relevant today. It promotes tolerance when tension rise on religions or ethnic difference, guided fair policy making for economic inequality, and encourages unity when facing national crises like natural disaster or public health issues. By emphasizing respectful deliberation, Pancasila helps reduce polarization and supports inclusive solutions that consider everyone's voice. For the conclusion, to sum up, Pancasila is more than a historical creed. It's a practical guide for living together, belief, humanity, unity, democratic deliberation, and social justice. When each of us practice these values daily in work, in school, and the neighbors, we help build a peaceful, fair, and united Indonesia. Let's embody Pancasila in simple acts. like respect others' belief, act kindly, join community solution, and support fairness for all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, please comment. I would love to read it. Thank you.